Hello everyone. I welcome you all in my new project, which is the Modular Robot 8 actually. I'm very happy to announce this is the completion of the 8 and two more to go actually, 9 and 10. So gradually that will be added and then the robot project will be done. So as you can see, this is the complete set, and in front of this is a cockpit system. As you can see here, the cockpit is made up with the glass material. So the intention is to just there are some pilots just this is a cockpit, and the pilots are actually driving the robots. So the concept is the robot is either operated by AI, or the robot is can be operated by individual pilots. Okay, kind of like a concept of Avatar movie, and the this kind of robots, sci-fi functionalities. So yeah, this is the backside, and this is the other backside. I mean, yeah, these are actually two-sided, the same robot two-sided. As you can see, here are the texture set, and they are all ready, by the way. As you can see, all the texture set are separated through the links, like the others. So you can segment it, you can separate them accordingly. So this asset actually I'm building like this way. This is a this asset belongs to a collection set, right? So it's like you can, if you have the collection, if you have the 10 robots collection, you can switch the instrument, or you can switch the parts and make come up with that new one. So that is, I'm calling the modular system. You have the option to rather than these 10, there are little bit of option to modify and come up with your own version. Okay, so that is the goal actually. It's like a fun. So okay, as you can see, the materials and all that are working so nice and behaving quite okay. So I will continue it in Unity and then the Unreal. Okay, thank you very much, and keep watching, keep sharing my content. Thank you. Hello everyone. This one is the actually the Unity version of the Modular Robot 8. As you can see in front of you, and the layout is as usual high definition render pipeline. So as you can see here, I have as always the ABX set, and I have the texture. All the textures are 4K size, and also the mask map and normal map, as well as the obviously the materials. So the correspondent materials are there. As you can see, all the materials are there. Okay, so this is a combination of red and dark material. I mean the metal material. As you can see, the shiness and all that is working properly. So yeah, they see the weapon system and all that. Okay, this weapon on the shoulder weapon, and these are actually this is the, when I just going to the maximize view, these are actually the parts, the modular parts. So how the modular parts actually working, to know that, you have to, you have to see the previous videos. I explained several times that these parts you can manipulate, and you can come up with the new ideas that how you gonna use that. Let's say this one, you just copy, make it a copy, and you can attach it somewhere like here, no problem. It's a double barrel gun, okay, something like here, okay. And some guns, maybe like on the top of the of the shoulder, like here, something, okay. Maybe the minigun will act very good. I mean, yeah, if you can delete that one, and just to show you, you can manipulate this thing like here, this one, okay, okay, yeah, something like this, and this, okay. So yeah, that's a new actually addition to the existing thing. So yeah, something like this kind of tweak you can do. So that's why I'm calling it a modular pack. So yeah, it's your creativity. Either you use these parts, and also what you can do is, if you have the all of the collection, I mean 10 collections, then you can switch the parts between the robots. So that is also possible. So this is actually, guys, this is a working copy, and this is actually from the Unity. The thing is fully working. I mean you can use it in your project actually. So this is the top view, and this one is from the lower view, okay. And this one is the third person view, okay, third person view. So yeah, you can use this according to your project requirement. So yeah, guys, so this is from the Unity. I will come again with the Unreal. So thank you, keep watching, and keep sharing my projects. Thank you very much. Hi guys, this one is the final part of the Modular Robot 8. As you can see, the what you just witnessed on the Unity, you are now seeing it in the Unreal. So in the Unreal, yeah, this is Unreal 5.3. As you can see, the mannequins are actually for the sizing, for the proportionate size. So this is the human scale size, and from the human scale, as you can see, the robot size, they are quite heavy actually. Yeah, and you have the correspondent FBX maps, and also you can find the materials, and obviously the textures, okay. If I give you a full view, you can see here, you can see what is going on. You can see the dust part in the on the actually the cockpit, and you can see everywhere is dust and rust. So it's like the battle ready, especially the logo is covered with the dust and all that, okay. So it's like a very battle hardened robot actually. and the combination is warm color, this orange and this metal part. So it's like a red and orange, and you see the back of the robot is have some chemical sign. So it's like yeah, uh, that sort of signing and defining the danger part of the of the object. And all the other mannequins and all that are actually showing you the size comparison, the size. So you can see the thigh, and you can see the leg part, the top part, and the leg joint, all that. So yeah, this is, guys, I think it's looking quite okay. So this is from the top side, and the the cockpit part is looking quite okay. The glass is shining and all that. I think this is all, guys. So only two more to go. This is 8, and I have the 9 and 10. Then this robot part will be closed, and if you need this one, don't hesitate to go to the upward asset store, or if you need this one, this asset, this full collection, you can DM me. I'll try to give you some discount, maybe, if you want. Then actually my happiness is to, if you use this one, that will be my happiness actually, in your project actually. So thank you, guys. I will come again with the next one, with the next project actually. So I'm very happy, as I said, that this is number 8 is going. Two more to go, then I will officially end this robot projects, and a huge task is going to be an ending position. Thank you very much. Keep watching and keep sharing my projects, and keep following my page of Word. If you have anything, if you want to know anything about regarding the game design and game asset design, please don't hesitate to ask me. I will happy to help you. Thank you very much.